And here's Cardona in motion to Omolon, and we're tied at 34 plus a foul. There's a foul here spotted by referee Dennis Barbacena.
And the passing ability of knockback Cardona, nakita natin the way he dished off last second to Bitoy Omolon and getting away with the 3 points plus may foul pa. Yun ang sinasabi natin, yung maturity ni Mac Cardona now on his, what is it, his 5th season in the PBA. And he's showing that if he can't get the points by himself, he's going to move that ball around, make it easier for his teammates to score if the defense is hounding him.
Agiwa. Meng. Big collision between Meng and Taulava. And there's a wild scramble for the loose ball. At nakahingi na naman ng timeout si Rudy Hatfield with 17.3 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Lamang ng isa ang Meralco 35-34. This timeout brought to you by HandyFix. First aid ng bahay mo, Bonzol and Sealzol.
Well, you notice in that last play, Nico, a lot of contact, but contact that really you couldn't say gave an advantage or a disadvantage to either team. Kanya walang tawagan. As far as the referees are concerned, they will let the players play the game. They are only going to blow their whistles on clear and hard contact. Inconsequential contact will be let-go situations.
If the contact does not disrupt the play,
tama.
Tuloy ang laro.
At yan ang bagong philosophy, orientation ng ating officiating. That should make the games more exciting, more free-flowing. You see, Congressman Henry Cojuangco is watching the game. I also see Mr. Tony Wichico, who is the father of Coach Joseph Wichico in the stand, in the building.
So oras na natitira dito sa first half, 17.3 seconds. Ginebra with 6 seconds to shoot. Intal has the ball. They're coming off a timeout. Intal fires a 3, in and out. And now Meralco can end the first half with at least a 1-point lead. And Cardona with nowhere to go. 2 seconds remaining. Intal at the buzzer. No. Diyan magtatapos ang first half play in the very first game of the new season. Meralco on top. 35-34 laban sa Ginebra. A low-scoring first half. A lot of tough defense played by both teams. Labanan ng crowd favorite at ng bagong salta. The Meralco Bolts, led by Marlo Aquino, who is with Magu.
Thank you, Miko. We are with Marlo Aquino. Marlo, sa ganda ng simula nyo, sometime in that second quarter, natigilan yung team nyo. Ano nangyari doon?
Medyo nakapag-adjust na rin kasi yung kabila. Kasi nung una, lamang kami. Siyempre, na-scout na yung unang mga plays namin.
6 points, 2 rebounds so far dito sa first half. Ano pa ang ibubuga ni Marlo Aquino sa second?
Meron pa yan. Marami pa.
Okay, maraming salamat, Cav. Thank you for your time and good luck in the second half. Before we go on break, we will be showing you that feature that we promised on Around the League. This is the PBA press conference.
I guess everyone is really looking forward to the 36th season of the PBA. This coming 36th season, we want to pay tribute to the fans, to whom the PBA really owes its existence over the last 36 years. Wag po kayo magsasawa because I promise you, 7 games a week, that's roughly 15 hours a week of airtime, it's going to be worth it. Fans will enjoy it, and our sponsors will get their money's worth.
Gary Valencia Joins us here. You know, the opening ceremonies was just energetic, and you were the perfect exclamation point to that.
Thank you very much. I felt very honored actually to have been invited by the PBA to be part of this. I was amazed to see what they prepared, you know, with the graphics and all on the court. I was like, wow. And people even who were behind me, these were people farther up, and they seemed to really enjoy what was presented to them today.
And you know, the presentation of today's opening ceremonies was really all about the fans and pleasing the fans. Now, I know you're such a big fan of the league. How did that relationship start?
Wow, that was in the old Toyota Crispa days pa, when my brother introduced me to the two teams, and I chose Crispa. You know, I'm a Crispa Redmanizer. I'm a fan. But since then, you know, I became a San Miguel Beer fan. I was just a basketball lover, you know, and I used to play a little bit. So when I got to know the likes of people like Jojo Lastimosa, who is one of my best friends now, you know, when he played for both Pure Foods and Alaska, I became a fan of Alaska, and I still am.
Well,
But you know, but being here in the PBA, I know, especially when what I did a while ago, people know that I'm a fan of Alaska, but I think they saw above that, wherein that the basketball has become really a place where people want to feel good, they want to feel excited, they want to cheer on their favorite team, and it's good to see that.
I think you had that kind of reception also because we all know that you're a world-class singer, someone that, you know, this whole country can be proud of. So what is the next? I know you just had a concert recently.
Yeah.
What is the next one for Gary V?
Well, I want to thank all of those who came to see the concert called Soul in Motion. It's actually this one over here. This is Soul in Motion, and as you can see, it says repeat on October 9. That will be the very last show that we will have. That's this coming Saturday at the Music Museum. And if you want more information, you can check out www.garyv.com. It's all the info's there. But that's what's next. And then there are other things, but I'll come back to the PBA and let people know about that.
We're already looking forward to it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
See you again soon. Good luck with the
Power to
concert.
the PBA. And happy anniversary.
Back with us here at the Big Dome, halfway through this Meralco Barangay Ginebra game, and we have Meralco actually leading by 135-34, but Commissioner Chita Salud joins us here because we are introducing so many different changes to the PBA, and one of them is we are saying goodbye to a man who is well-respected and well-loved, who has introduced so many things to the league in his time, and that's Commissioner Sonny Barrios. Now, what are the things that he has introduced in the past that will still be felt here in this 36th season?
I think Commissioner Sonny Barrios, after 21 years, has shown that he is a compassionate man, very patient. The way he works with the staff, he gets the best out of our staff because of his compassionate approach to them and the vision also that he has for the PBA. I'd like to have some of that, Patricia, because sometimes I'm getting a little impatient. It must be my age also. So I wish Commissioner Sonny Barrios the best of everything, and may he enjoy his retirement if he's deciding to retire already.
So many things you are pushing for already, and we know the technical aspects of it, the changes that you'll be adopting, but as a fan, what can we expect in general?
More exciting games. That's what we want to promise to the fans. Honest, consistent officiating. We'll let the players play this game. We want them to show our fans that they're giving their best. That's what's going to be in store for the fans this 36th season, Patricia.
Appreciate it, Commissioner, and much luck to you in your office. Now, this is our tribute to Commissioner Sonny Barrios because he has laid the foundation for the 36th season of your PBA.
Si Commissioner Barrios, napakabait na tao niyan. During his term, napakarami nating naging outreach programs. Gusto niya talaga mapalapit ang PBA sa masa at doon ko siya pinupuri ng gusto.
Everywhere you go, perfection.
Among those who have made solid contributions on what PBA is today is Commissioner Sonny Barrios. His dedication to the job,
You want it.
his passion for the game is definitely beyond compare.
But you can't say what you wanna, take what you wanna, choose the most.
A big help. I'll tell you, when we were down and out, we were looking for commissioner. He was there. He helped us tremendously, you know. So we've got to be thankful to Commissioner Barrios for that.
Said your life couldn't get much better. Where is it?
That's why naging successful of him being a commissioner dahil sa inyo.
And on your list of things to do is make me fall in love with you.
Si Daddy naman is a family person. Talagang he does everything for the family. So he's really a very loving and responsible dad.
Dad made me feel very welcome right away into the family. And it's nice because I lost my dad a few years ago and it's nice to have a dad again now.
Well, here I am.
Ngayon na meron na siyang ibang plano para sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang pamilya, sana naman matupad pang lalo ang kanya pang mga pangarap.
Thank you very much for the 18 years that you've given to the Philippine Basketball Association.
I will be looking forward to meeting you again one of these days, and good luck, Sonny.
Thanks a lot for everything you've done for the league. We appreciate that very much. And maybe we can get you back again sometime. Huh? Take care.
Commissioner Barrios was well loved. I was talking to him just a couple of days ago, and he was saying that he has been traveling a lot, and he's planning to travel even more because now that he's retired, he has much more time for that. So from Solar TV, safe travels to you, Commissioner Barrios, and more power. Right now, we are not just saying goodbye to one man who has made great changes to the PBA, we are also saying goodbye to a franchise that has made its mark here in the league, and we're talking about the Santa Lucia Realtors.
It was the loneliest point in my PBA career because I never realized that this is it. This is the end of the road for my team. You may not believe this, but I cried alone. I could not imagine letting go of my franchise.
Siguro mamimiss ng PBA yung legacy ng Santa Lucia. Always go hard every time na may laruan.
When I entered Santa Lucia, the whole thing was to win a championship, and I was very happy that we were able to accomplish that. Very good member of the league. They were very loyal to the PBA over the years.
Pag makakasama mo si Boss Buddy, yung prinsipyo yung lalaban niya lagi. No? Sige, laban tayo. Kasi pag nanalo, parang kahit 1 point, 2 points na kami manalo, ang sarap ng feeling dahil mga kalaban namin, puro karamihan may feel up. Pangalawang pamilya ko sa Santa Lucia.
Ang maganda kasi sa Santa Lucia, kahit sa mga pagsubok, sa mga challenges, talagang suporta sila yung buong organization sa inyo.
Wala kaming masabi talaga. Ako, 15 years ako dun, wala akong masabi. Yung very supportive sila.
Just being with those guys, being with the group, being with Coach Boy, being with the management of Santa Lucia and everything. Just they're like family to me now. I'm gonna miss all of them.
Hard-nosed, willing, sharing, good group of hard-working guys.
You know, you kind of just miss that whole thing. But the things that I went through with San Lucia, obviously, I won't forget.
Hindi naman tayo lahat malulungkot din ng lubusan dahil yung iniwan ng memories ng Santa Lucia ay napakalaki. And sa tingin ko, nasa puso ng mga nanonood niya ng PBA fans.
They bettered a lot of lives and they made a lot of people happy, not only sa office ng Santa Lucia, at sa mga manlalarong naiayos ang buhay at ang kinabukasan.
Describe yung team namin sa Santa Lucia, parang pamilya. Yung mga players parang magkapatid kasi parang sobrang close lahat.
Winning over the big boys in the PBA, coming from a small franchise, is something that I will always cherish.
I'd like to thank the Santa Lucia organization for giving me the opportunity to be in the PBA. It was a dream come true. The fans of Santa Lucia, I just thank you for everything, all the support, and watching our games. You know, I gave it my best every time I was on the court.
The ones that stayed with us through the highs and the lows, through the championships and the losing droughts, thank you guys. Stay committed and stay good fans. Thank you guys.
Boss Archie, Boss Buddy, Boss Levy, salamat sa binigay niyo yung porta, binigay niyo yung tulong sa amin yung players sa Santa Lucia.
To Etsy Robles, who I thought was a great boss, Buddy Encarnado, everybody who was associated with Santa Lucia, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be a part of your organization, and good luck in the future.
From bottom of my heart, my family, all Santa Lucia bosses, saka kay Boss Buddy, mahalo namin kayo.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa management of Santa Lucia, headed by Boss Etsy. Kay Boss Buddy, who was always been there for me. Unang dating ko pa lang rito, si boss na ang kumuha sa akin. Mamimiss ko po kayo.
Maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart for allowing us to entertain you through your television for the last 18 years. Sana po nasihan kayo at nabigyan po namin kayo ng ibang klase namang brand ng basketball.